Hello, in this demo I am going to deal with master pages. Now what are master pages? Why do I need master pages? What is the use of master page? Now if you observe this site Manzoor the trainer, it has got many things common on all the pages. If I click on home, I am on home page. If I click on courses, I am on courses page. If you observe one thing, this is what my header part is. In my header part I have my logo, my login, links, search box and this complete menu. This is my header part, and this flash file, these are all my header parts. Now if I go to any page, I'll see these things are common on all the pages. If my site contains some 100 pages or 10 pages or 15 pages, whatever it may be, this header part is common, as well as if you observe this footer part is also common. Now if I go to home page, you can see that my footer part, home, courses, about me, this link. So what do you think? Do I need to code these things again and again on all the pages, or do I need to make a copy paste on all the pages? No. If I do that, what is the problem? One thing, I need to repeat the code. Another thing, if at all there is an update in the header, I need to update it on all 10, 20, 50 or 100, as many number of pages I have in my portal. I need to update all those things. So what is that I should do? Instead of me recoding this thing or copying and pasting the code, I'll go for a master page. Now what is master page? I'll be designing a template saying that this will be my header and this will be my footer and this will be my left bar or right bar or whatever it may be, my page layout. I'll be defining my page layout. Now once I define my page layout, I call it as master page. Now I'll go on add my new pages called as child page by taking all those masters in it. Now let us go for the implementation of it. Now say that I want to create a portal or a website which contains 5 pages. Say home, about us, services. In services, say I have 2 pages, .NET and Java services, and finally the 4th page is contact us. Say I have 5 pages, and all these 5 pages will have header and footer in common. So what is that I'll do? I'll just delete my default page first of all. Now I'll add my new master page. Right click, add new item. I'll select master page. I'll name it as my master page. My master page dot master. My master page will have an extension of dot master. I'll say add. Now I got my master page. If you observe in the source, I have div tag, inside that I have content placeholder. I have div tag and inside that I have content placeholder. Now I need not to write anything inside this content placeholder. Whatever I want to write, I will be writing outside the content placeholder. Now I will go to the design view. Now see that this is my content placeholder. If I come out of the content placeholder, then I am in div tag. I will just press enter so that we can have a difference. So this is my content placeholder and this is my div tag. Now I am not going to write anything in my content placeholder. Whatever I want, I will be writing in my div tag. Now let me define the layout of the page. Say my page has header part, center part and footer part. That means it is a table with 3 rows and a single column. So I'll just go for the tables. Say insert table. Now in this I'll say 3 rows and a single column. Let the width be 100%. Cell padding and cell spacing, let it be 0, and say OK. Now I got a table with 3 rows. Now let the top row be the header. Now I'll go for the properties of this top row, and here I'll say width of the row is 100% and height of the header I'll define as 35 pixels. Now these are the normal designing standards. Whenever we define width, we define it in percentages, whereas height we define in pixels. Now if I say width 100%, whatever may be my screen size, it will fix to that particular width, whereas height it will be 35 pixels. And let the center part width be 100% again, and height be 300 pixels. Why? Because my content is going to come in my center part. This is my center part. And my footer part, let the footer part height be 20 pixels and width 100%. Save this. Now this is my header part, this is my center part, and this is my footer part. Now in my header part I'll just write a message saying that this is my header, and in the footer part I'll write a message saying that this is my footer. And what is that I'll do? In my center part I'll just drag and drop the content placeholder and I'll leave it, saying that it means that any of my content will come in the center part. Now my master layout is ready. I'll just save this. My master layout is ready. Now what is that I need to do? I need to add my pages. So I'll just right click and I'll say add new item. Now I'll be adding pages. Now first page, let it be home. Now at the time of adding the page, I need to say select master page. It means that this home page will be a child of master page. What is that master page? I'll say add. That master page name is my master page. I'll say okay. Now if you observe the home page, it has got header part and footer part fixed and uneditable. I cannot edit it. Now whatever I want, I can write it in my center content placeholder. I'll say this is my home page. I'll save this. In the same way, I'll add all other items. Save all. Now that's it. Now I'll say set home page as startup page and I'll execute this. So I'm on home page. So this is my header, this is my footer, and this is my home page. Now if I want to browse to the about us page, I'll just write about us.aspx. Now I am on about us page. Now even on about us page you have header and footer common. Now about us text is changing. Now whenever I want to navigate from one page to another page, I am writing or editing the URL. Now instead of that, what is that I'll do? I'll have all the links in my master page, so that on every page I can just move from one page to another page. So I'll go to my master page. In this I'll have links to all the pages. So one shortcut way I'll just show you, that is home page, drag and drop. Next about us, drag and drop. Next Microsoft.NET, drag and drop. Java, drag and drop. Then contact us, drag and drop. Now I have got all the links. About us, Microsoft.NET, Java, contact us. I'll just save this and execute this. Now I have all the links on master page. That means every page will have all the links. So I can navigate from one page to another page from any page. Now I am on home page. Now I'll click about us. Now I am on about us page, Microsoft.NET page, Java page, contact us page. Now you see that on all the pages I have these links common, but these links do not look good. Now we have a good UI links. Those links I can implement with the help of my server controls, which are in my toolbox. For that I'll go for navigation server controls. That is nothing but menu control. I'll just drag and drop my menu control. I'll just right click, properties, now my menu is vertical here. All the item looks like they are vertical. Now I'll change it to horizontal. Orientation is vertical, I'll change it to horizontal, and width I'll set as 100%. width is 100%, that means it fits in my page. I'll click on smart tag, auto format, I'll select some format, colorful, say OK. Now I'll edit items. I'll click on edit menu items. I'll add all the pages. One page is home page, another is about us, third is services, fourth is contact us. Home page. So whenever I click on home page, it should navigate me to home page. So I'll set navigate URL. Now whenever I select on about us page, it should take me to about us page. So I'll set navigate URL as about us. Now I'll add one more item called as services. Now whenever I click services, it should not take me to any page, but whenever I take my mouse pointer on services, it should show me two child items. So I'll say add a child item. Again I'll select services and I'll say add a child item. Now first child item is Microsoft.net. So whenever I click on this child item, it should take me to MS.net page. Next, Java. Now whenever I click on Java, it should take me to Java page. Finally, contact us. So navigate URL to contact us page. I'll say OK and OK. That's it. I am ready with my UI control. That is nothing but menu. I'll execute this. Now you see that I'll take my mouse pointer on home. If I click on home, it shows my home page, about us page, contact us page. So this is how my menu control works. In this demo, I am going to show you how to apply free website templates to our ASP.NET application. Now say I have a template 2, which is free template I have downloaded, and it has got an index page and an image folder which has all the images and a style.css file. Now I'll click on index page. So this is how my page looks like. Now what is it I'll do? This is my header part till my menus, and this is my footer part, like powered by free website templates. Now I'll take this header part and footer part, and I'll apply this header and footer to my master page, and center part will be my content placeholder. So how do I do that? Let us see. Now this is my template 2. This is my project. Now first of all, what is it I'll do? I'll add all these pages to my project. Now I'll just drag and drop my image folder, and I'll add my image folder in my project. So I have got image folder with all the images. The next, I'll drag my style.css, my style sheet, I'll leave it in my project. Finally, I'll drag my index.html page, I'll leave it in my project. Now I'll set index page as startup page, and let me see whether this index page works fine or not in my ASP.NET project. So that's fine. My page is working fine in my ASP.NET project. Now I'll just try to take the source code from this HTML page and paste it in my master page, and I'll try to implement this complete in my ASP.NET application. So let me double click this index.html file. Now from this source, I'll just copy all the things that I have my head tag. Copy this and I'll paste it in my master page head tag. To the source code in master page, I have got head tag, and I'll paste it in the head tag. Now this is the link to my style sheet, and I'll change the title. I'll make the title as my portal. and I'll save this. Now next I'll come back to my index page. Now in this I have a div tag called as header, and next navigation list, and then I have content. So now I'll copy this header and navigation list, both the things. I'll copy this, I'll come to the master page, and I'll paste it in my body and inside the div tag, body inside the div tag. Now I got header and navigation list, and I have my content placeholder. So for my content placeholder I'll take the content placeholder div tag, and I'll put my content placeholder in the content div tag, and finally my footer div tag image placeholder. That's it, my master page is ready. Now let us see the UI. So it's the same exact way. I'll save all. Now here simply I need to edit the links. Home page, its href is home page. Href, now I'll say about us, and this I'll say Microsoft.net, this I'll say Java, and something say I do not have anything here, I'll say just test, and I have contact us already, and I'll say map. Now about us, I'll change href to about us, and Microsoft.net, and then Java page, and test I do not have anything. So what is that I'll do, I'll just leave it as it is, like free website templates. If you click this link, it will take me to free website template. Now what is that I want? I want it to open in a new tab. So what is that I can do? I can simply say that target equals to blank underscore blank. That means it is going to open it in a new window. Now next, contact us, and this I'll just change it from map to Manzoor the trainer portal. Here I can simply say www. manzoorthetrainer.com. I'll save all these things. I'll just come to my UI. Okay, it has got a little bit disturbed. Instead of Manzoor the trainer complete, I'll just write Manzoor. That's it. My master page is ready, and already I have added my master page to all my child pages. So actually by mistake we deleted a tag that is nothing but content placeholder for the head. So it got deleted by mistake. So at the time of editing the head tag, now I'll just save all these things. Now let me execute and check. So here it goes. Now I got my home page. This is my home page, about us message, ms.net, Java page, test. This should open a website in new window. I got my test page, contact us page. This is my contact us page. So what is it I have done? I have taken a ready-made template and I have integrated it into my ASP.NET web project or ASP.NET website. So this is all about integrating an HTML page in my ASP.NET page or implementing predefined templates. Thank you very much.